Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to integrate text to an image so you can use it for your work and design projects. It is a very handy effect, so let's get started. First of all, choose your image. Open it up onto a Photoshop document and position your image as desired. Press Command plus A to select the background, then Command plus C to copy, then go to the blank document and press Command plus V to paste the landscape image to the document. Make sure you make the landscape fill the whole blank dimension in an accurate proportion. On a new layer, write your text. Make sure the text is also in the correct quantity. A little extra fact: if you want to make the text more clean and professional, use the dense condensed font. Create a mask for the layer. Click on the paintbrush, making sure you're using it on the mask. Paint over the text to make it disappear. Press Ctrl X to undo any mistakes and make the text reappear. Continue toggling between the two in order to reach the desired look for your image. And here it is! Your very own cool, unique effect. Well, there you have it. It's a pretty simple but handy effect. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.